Hi everyone, welcome back to Substack Coach. Today we're going to talk about a really common pain point with new Substack creators, and that is you don't have a homepage. So if you've just started your Substack and your homepage is missing, and every time you type in your Substack URL, you're not getting that homepage that you see when you go to anyone else's site, and instead it's just rerouting to your profile. It doesn't look like a proper publication. It's not what you expected. This happens all the time. There's one little setting that fixes this, but the problem is the setting is really difficult to find for someone who's brand new to Substack. So when you get started, you're really expecting a clean homepage, something that feels like a blog or a publication, something that looks like everyone else's homepage that you've seen on Substack. And instead, you get the personal feed, your profile layout. It's not structured at all. Your posts are just in a list under your name, and it doesn't look the way you want it to at all. This is confusing because you did create a publication. You didn't do anything wrong, but it doesn't look like a publication. So here's what's actually happening. Substack defaults your homepage to match your profile. And basically all it does is reroutes your Substack link, the yourname.substack.com, to your profile, which is substack.com/@yourname. Most people want the distinction between their profile, you as a person, and your publication, which is your content home. So to start with, your publication is basically just mirroring your profile, and it doesn't look like a proper homepage. So let me show you how to fix this. It's really quick and easy once you know where to look. So first of all, you want to go to your dashboard. I've created a new publication just for this demonstration. And this is basically what it looks like for everyone who's brand new and just getting started. On the left side menu, you just want to scroll down slightly until you see this website editor. Click on the website editor, and then on the left side menu, generally speaking, most people have by default the theme as profile, and you want to click this and change it to custom. Mine was custom to start because obviously I have another publication already. Substack knows me, knows what I'm doing, and assumes that I want another publication like the first one. So to start with, most people have the profile, all your content in a single feed. And so you have your profile picture here and your name. And then below that is any posts and notes that you create all mixed up together. Not necessarily what you want. And so you would click on this profile and click on custom. And that gives you the actual homepage that you were expecting when you created a publication. On the right side menu, then you can move on to doing your colors, your typography, and everything that you would want to and expect to be able to edit on your homepage. This coming soon, this will disappear automatically as this fills up with blog posts and a layout here. So if your homepage is missing, it is that simple to fix it, and just switch that over from match profile to custom theme, and you will be ready to roll. This is one of those small settings on Substack that makes a huge difference. And like many of the little things on Substack, it is not intuitive and easy to find. So if you're finding yourself stuck on setup like this, I am running a small cohort in May where I walk you through setting up your Substack step by step. So you're not guessing your way through all of these settings. This cohort will run occasionally throughout the year, and you are welcome to join in. You can find the details in the description and join if it feels like a good fit. Hope to see you there.